Hello lovely people, I am Akanksha and welcome to Ketlady Akanksha. Be Green is a 100% vegan daily supplements brand. They have a variety of different products like vitamin supplements, protein powders and also yummy peanut butters. Of lately I have tried one of their products which is the plant protein, and I am going to be talking about that in today's video. Now because you guys know I do try out different protein powders and I like reviewing them as well for you guys. So I thought that why not talk about this as well, because it is really worth talking about. I was really impressed by the composition of this protein powder because it has all the 3 kinds of amino acids which make up the protein, or which are the building blocks of protein. Key sources of protein for this particular protein powder are peas and brown rice. It has plant-based papain and bromelain enzymes which helps with the digestion process and also faster absorption of the protein. It has certain antioxidants like green tea, vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin B12 as well, which really help to combat the muscle damage and to recover the muscle cells quicker. It does not contain any artificial sweeteners. It is soy free, gluten free, dairy free and GMO free as well. In our daily regular life, we need 0.8 grams of protein for each kgs of our body weight. So if your body weight is 50 kgs per day, you need about 40 grams of protein. Now why you can include a protein supplement in your diet is that 40 grams of protein to get from your daily regular diet is not that practical, because natural food items में उतने ज़्यादा amount में nutrients नहीं होते हैं. That is the reason why these supplements are formulated. But also you should keep this thing in mind that these supplements should not be exchanged with the natural diet that you must take. Okay, you should have your balanced natural diet. Along with that, these supplements can really add up to provide you the necessary nutrients. और the one that I have is the bigger one, the 1 kg pack, but आपको ये छोटे साइज के बॉटल्स में भी आते हैं, so आप उन्हें भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं पहले if you are skeptical about it. So this one for 1 kg is retailed at rupees 3000, but of course आपको ये डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिल सकती है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट आपको एक शेकर भी फ्री मिलती है इसके साथ. इसके एक स्कूप को 300 ml चिल्ड वाटर में मिक्स करना है एंड देन लेट इट मिक्स कम्प्लीटली, ताकि कोई भी लम्स वगैरह ना रहे. वैसे तो रहते नहीं है इतने ज़्यादा. स्मेल है ना वो इतनी ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग है, प्रिटी मच लाइक अ चॉकलेट शेक. इसकी टेक्सचर बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ है, ग्रेनी या फिर कोर्स पार्टिकल्स नहीं है इसमें. एंड ऑल्सो इसकी जो टेस्ट है ना, आई स्वेयर इट इज सो यमी. यू नो जनरली क्या होता है, जो प्लांट प्रोटीन्स होते हैं ना, उनका जो टेस्ट होता है वो इतना भी कंपेरेबल नहीं होता है विद द मिल्क प्रोटीन ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज मिल्क के साथ द चॉकलेटी फ्लेवर या फिर ये सब मिल्क शेक टाइप की ब्लेंड हो जाती है एंड बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी फ्लेवर आती है आपको. एंड इसकी आफ्टर टेस्ट भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, बहुत ईजिली मिक्स भी हो जाती है. आपको बस 10 से 15 सेकेंड तक इसे विगरसली शेक करनी है ताकि कोई भी लम्स वगैरह ना बन जाए. देयर आर ऑल्सो अदर फ्लेवर्स अवेलेबल इन द प्लांट प्रोटीन लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी, कैफे मोका एंड अनफ्लेवर्ड एज वेल. सो अगर आपको ऐसे ज़्यादा फ्लेवर्ड वाले चीज़ें पसंद नहीं है तो आप अनफ्लेवर्ड भी ले सकते हो. नाउ आई पर्सनली लाइक यूजिंग इट एज अ post yoga supplement. Now I have been doing yoga for like a week now. Also one thing that I like about plant proteins over the milk proteins is that now because milk protein comes from a cow, from a mammal, it has certain amount of hormones in there as well, and those can really interfere with your hormones, especially for women, because our hormones are fluctuating all throughout the month, all throughout the year. इसीलिए on top of that अगर आपको और भी हो जाए from external factors, it really affects your body and your hormonal balance. So I would really prefer going for plant proteins over the milk proteins. आप इसे definitely check out कर सकते हैं अगर आपको भी protein supplements चाहिए in your diet. And it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful, and I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.